Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. We discuss technique of differentiation. Before we go talking about our topic, I will introduce you to our members. For the first member is me, Mama Afid Malaman Ani, student ID 2026-17375. The second member is Muhammad Lufi bin Zulmidi 2026-107-259. And then Afiq Imi bin Azahar 2026-172811. I will discuss question 1 and question 2. For the question 1, the question is, what is differentiation? Differentiation is the mathematical process of finding the rate of change of one variable with respect to another. It measures how a function changes at any instance and calculates the slope or gradient of a curve at any given point. And then for technique of differentiation is divided by 9 rules. For the first rule is power rule, you differentiate power of x. Second is chain rule, use when function is inside another function. Quotient rule, use when one function is divided by other function. Constant rule is derivative of constant is always 0. And then product rule, use when one function is multiplied by other function. For the sixth is trigonometric rule, use the differentiate sin, constant, sine, etc. Exponential rule is used to differentiate exponential function. For the second last is generalized power rule, an extension of the power rule when the base is a function, and logarithmic rule for differentiate of logarithmic function. And then this is the end of the question 1. We go to the second question. Question 2. Question 2 is divided by two set of questions, 2a and 2b. Question 2a is given function of 3x squared sec x plus 2, as you know, is multiply of two different functions, where 3x squared is quadratic function and sec x plus 2 is trigonometric function. So, as we know, when function is multiplied by other function, we'll be using product rule. Product rule is f from x equal to u prime times v plus u times v prime. So, by using the question, we let u equals to 3x squared and then differentiate it to become 6x. So we get u and u prime to use product rule. And then we let v equals to sec x plus 2 and differentiate it to become v prime equals to sec x plus 2 times x plus 2. So we get what our need to use the formula of product rule. So we put the value of the to the equation and then we get the final answer. For the question 2b, it's given fx equals to fx plus 2 over cos x. As you know, it divide of between two functions. So we'll be using quotient rule. Whereas so given the question is fx equals to fx plus 2 over cos x. We're using u as the numerator where fx plus 2 and we get our differentiate. So u equals to fx plus 2 and u prime is 4 and denominator always v. So cos v equals to cos x and v prime equals to negative sin x. And we were using quotient rule. So we put the value that have we received to the equation and then we get the final answer. That's for me for today. I will pass the next question to my members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afiq Hilmi bin Azhar. Today I want to explain how to answer the question number 3. The question is given y ln 3x minus exponential power of 2x minus 1 minus tan 4y equal to 0. Find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. First thing first, the question must part into 3 parts like this. And then part 1 we must use a power rule. That means u equal to y, v equal to ln 3x. And then we must differentiate of u and v. So u prime equal to dy over dx, v prime equal to 1 over 3x times 3. So we divide it and then we get 1 over x. Part 2, exponential power of 2x minus 1, we differentiate it and then we get exponential power of 2x minus 1 times 2, so equal to 2 exponential power of 2x minus 1. Part 3, tan 4y, we differentiate tan 4y equal to second power of 2 4y times 4, and then we must times dy over dx. So 4 second power of 2 4y times dy over dx. And then all the answer we get, we must combine it and make a question like a question like this: ln 3x times dy over dx plus y times 1 over x minus 2 exponential power of 2x minus 1 minus 4 second power of 2 4y dy over dx equal to 0. All the equation that has a dy over dx must move it separately from the other question that has not have a dy over dx and move it to the left, and then such like this: 4 second power of 2 4y dy over dx minus ln 3x dy over dx equal to y over x minus 2 exponential power of 2x minus 1. And then we must separately dy over dx in the equation like this: dy over dx in confinement 4 second power of 2 4y minus ln 3x equal to y over x minus 2 exponential power of 2x minus 1. And then we must make sure that dy over dx is singly on the left. So 4 second power of 2 4y minus ln 3x must move it to the right. So, and then we get dy over dx equal to y over x, that x must move to the top. So and then we get x power of negative 1 minus 2 exponential power of 2x minus 1 over 4 second power of 2 4y minus ln 3x, and that's the answer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Lutfi bin Jumaidi. So I'm continuing to the last question, which is question 4. The question is use linear approximation to estimate the value of Z4 80.99 minus 2 over Z 80.99. Correct to 3 decimal places. So we can use the fx. Let fx equal to Z4 x minus 2 over zx. So we change the value to the x. So we can change the z to the power, and we got this, which is x power 1 over 4 minus 2x power negative 1 over 2. And then we want to search the f prime. So we can got this f prime, which is f1 equal 1 over 4 x power negative 3 over 4 minus 2 open bracket minus 1 over 2 close the bracket x power negative 3 over 2. And then we calculate the equation. We got this. And then we don't want the power is negative. And then we put it down. And then we got the final f prime. So the next step is we need to search the delta x. So first thing first, we need to know the given value. The given value is 80.99, and the chosen value from me is 81. So if you want to search the delta x, we need to use this the formula. So the formula is delta x equal to given value minus chosen value. So this our given value and chosen value, and this final, or we got delta x. And then we can use the linear approximation. So we can use this formula, which is f open bracket chosen value plus delta x close the bracket equal f open bracket chosen value close the bracket plus f prime open bracket chosen value close the bracket and delta x. So we put the our value to the equation. So we got this, and then we settle the bracket first, and we got this, and then the final answer is 2.778. So we got the answer. And if we don't uh confirm it, we can check it. We use the three method, so we can direct calculate with the calculator, and then we got the same answer. So this is our final answer. Thank you.